Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Mwancho murigaria Ensoko TV, karibu sana semesa ya mayakurwa Ensoko ensa emo litukoneria Jumaine obo tukono bwe 25 na gatatu mutinyino ya 5 na kabere mwaka no w'ichiri bubere 25 ne Monchenko kwa Clinton Ndigi ikansita siri bagaria ya Edna Morako ne kyango sangatora senchira yubo ikirano ali aina kiwe asari tukeriga siri bagaria bakombata sekurwa studio ya kabere togosabiro karanseko benito kurbono guika omwerio abigonyera nabo kubwatia mesa ya mayakurwa Ensoko ensa emo wetera semitandao itekerero Facebook na YouTube na Ensoko TV kwa sasa mitandao ya Ndevu na Clinton Ndigi ayigane gati ya tukwalika ndoche botukubwalera.
Your future as a young person depends on the peace you choose to build today.
Ikiombe kia NCIC ya esokire na kuruko boria gochia saba Kenya na boiga bana siasa huyatana na kurua sechinkwa na chogo segeta obogesaku.
Mubwate choye mogo sanga bamura na abaiseke. Na ina masikani ya mawekera abamura na abaiseke bago change choye mo. One na akire twaga choye ngi ya abaiseke alinda abamura batigare ne choye.
Umusamari omuyani ga esokire na gokonye skulu borosi ya binyinyi mya South Mogirango asubu agachubwe nyomba yake bara.
Twende twakurire mono nkeri na siasa tebase kobe kwa sobole mibwaito batige togenderera obole mibwaito buna bona twarorete yete ko ni bubuyaga na ende tokoto na tarachia kibe singi yo mwaka oyo batige ebyasare byaito togenderera
naboigo habare mibeke mari ye chae kurwa se factory ya Gianchore baburiria barayi gotasona ni siasa sekemari ekyo.
Karibu sana mwanchumo rigari yabona botukobwara togochaka no roboti rukobwate uru ichisemi abarukiwa banene bechi skuru chi account chi kutoka se ward ya Kitutu Central bunge ya Kitutu cha South County Kisii ni goritukoria rero barigania humoyega bokuomerana aseba kirembe yamona asokubwatira nokuya mabego kwenekia buna ngotanga bari ebikore byogosamba gochi skuru kago kwana ni gobona mokonyi bo county commissioner Kitutu Central asomoyego yo okubwatikana wene kubwatoka ebyagwa ime yeskuru ya Kiage Tumaini ni gobono abayibori batwara chinga kicyabene na abana babo hiryo kubasegeta gukora umukia wetanga kurwa sebikore byobosaria muri Kito Frida Kirubo agutumanyia senchiro y'ubikirano
bunenjere mo yo gusegeta aborokiwa gukora umukia na bukinia ebirengo bichisemi nigo aborokiwa bale bakoletibya asamatemwa amanene a KCSE omwako eta babwatokirwa ebyegwa asensemo ya Kiage Tumaini okwana omo director Joseph Kiage ni gabasegeta gukora umukia ili gwekonya amatuko abosyo asagokera okubwatira nokuya.
Our concern and major concern is about raising the education standards. Is asking about the future of these young people. What would they be in the future? Where would they be? And we know that in a high school phase or in a school phase, it's a short time that they need to transit. We ask and inspire them to work in a way that they can win the prize. We thank the parents who supported them. We thank the education officers who always come here to support them. We thank their cooperation and we want to appreciate that they have remained disciplined.
Asensemo yaye omo deputy county commissioner o Kitutu Central nigo aboli abayiboli kumulikira buna abana babo bagokolia asensemo y'ekisemi na koira chingaki gokwana na abana babo.
Waangalia performance yao walipokuwa shuleni ilikuwa namna gani. They should do some guidance and counseling. They should listen to their children and the children should also be open to their parents so that the parents can get mali kuna shida wasaidiane. Most of our parents currently wamepotelea kwa kutafuta pesa, kutafuta jinsi ya maisha, lakini for this holiday let them spare some time with their children.
Chingaki ekyo boigo nigo abaibuli babuligwa kurigereria ekero abana babo bagotumika chisimi na boigo kubatanga kurwa ase obotumiki bwa mariogo yogotindia.
They should be watchful when they are using their phones. Wahakikishe kuwa watoto wao wana watch movies za aina gani. So parents wa advise watoto wao pia hata kama watakula chakula mahali, watakunywa soda mahali, wahakikishe ni ile ambayo iko sawa.
Asensemo yaye Jared Mbeche nigo airaniria mbia gucha ase aborokia abanene b'ekiskuru ime sub county ya Kitutu Central asoko bwaterana okuya na kwenekia ugotasambwa w'ekiskuru chingaki ekyo bikolebu nebyo byenekigwa.
I'd like to thank the heads of institutions and the security apparatus that we did not experience any banning of our schools as a sub-county and very high levels of discipline and the support that we've got from the parents in as far as academic progress is concerned.
Boigo nigo baenekia okubwaterana okuya na gutinya oburendi elio kwenekia buna etamu ya kabere yabere gekoera buya.
Directors, both education and the ministry and TSC, we want to thank you because of the guidance that you gave our runners and our teachers. Madam DCC, thank you for security apparatus that you put in place, which made our sub-county to be very successful in term 2.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.
Yamano Marikito Frida Kerubo noroboturu asenchira yobikira tugataza kiseme mwancho mu rigereria nigo bono aborokiwa beskuru yoboroso yebinyinyi igotoka se wodi echitago hebunge ya South Mogirange County ya Kisii abana banyaruka na boiga bamurapa abere bagosanga inyumba ya kibara mamenchaneri chiko ikebono nigo kiaireire hoyokorie kirugo kyobo jumba se bunge yo Dennis Makori umanyika ende buna Sonko uchake murobero bwo kwagachira abana banyaruka inyumba enye ya kibara iriyo abamurabatigare neyamo asense moyende nigo Sonko aikiranire eira yaye yokwena na chi computer ikomigo cha se school ya secondary ya Maroe sinde eri chiko kinya chisemi kukwana chinga kecho boigo nigo Sonko arireira yogochia gotara na Dr. Fred Matiangi weterekia magia Jubilee boigo nigagi keire ebikora byo bokebago ebyo byabere bikwanikwa ase ebunge yo kukonekera umwana siasa konya siasa chiaye no botwereru muri kitopetwele machini na mange
Unenchiremo yo gukinya birango bya chisemi achiskuru aime yabunge ya South Mogirango nigol sikurerero yoreneganga yo kuriekero kyo chumba sebunge yo Dennis Makori Songo aisokire na kwenda no gosira go chi computer uchase skuru ya secondary ya Maroe sinde yo gotoka ime yabunge yo Osangana bari kimaiga yo kwenda na chi computer cyo nigo sunganya kabaga goteba nigabegetemero bya masomo bosyo ereko igendria amasomo yabana
na chira rero ase skuru yeto yesinde na ba promise chi computer na baretere chi computer 10 kiagere lab yawe wate computer lab lakini mbabuga ati computers so lero na baretere linda abana banyara gosoma computer studies mana maitense ya lero yere computer kerege enton computer so na kinaro chengati abana batobaletera chi computer basome elinde babe compliant in the 21st century.
Echinga kichiboigo niganya kabaga gosira eskuru yoborosi yebinyinyi asoko chikobaga chire nyumba ya kibara ya chandre bana aseskuru ya sekegetambe.
Echискuru cheto nechi chinyinge chibwateme chando actually chinsa chiamambe twarenge binyinyi primary school asa abana abaiseke na abamura bagose echo twagenda kwagacha kolonche echo ya baiseke elinda abamura na baiseke batumie chicho chingao. So chi school cheto nchibwati chi challenge and we are up to the challenge. We want to come in elinda tokonya abantu baitu.
Okwanekere kiboigo niganya kabaga kugikere siasa chichibura boruchi gani kwenekwa sibungi ya South Mogirango na kwa nyobo twerwe gati abana siasa.
Tutagete Mogirango yaita twarora mangana guni simwagocha muna moisonde on Friday twarenge gocha kona gokoro umuchango tukanyoro usoro bekire chiguni chiae chigo samba chitail chigo tabana tatagete tokoro umuchango hisho lakini tukatabanko enda tole nevertheless batinya sae muna kalinya sae bamurao bagachaka guitana boka bakubona chibesa so babere nyagitari bare omoga betiro muyoko boko so bagaitana boka baka by the time togo ikororo tukanyora baitanire ba tugakora muchango itubuya tugakora igo tugotebana amangana gunism asire bogirango tobe politically tolerant to tolerate each other munanche nanya kuiro sole kiale karago chapaka no lembuone ocha gokora campaign yo
nasa mangana siasa nigo songo nyakaboga kurira yo chigoendera kumosira muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i siganga yo kurikiro kibura bwense asabori abantu bono kwene kingango mosira bari kurwa sorongo rwagusi
igonde magega ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i ago sensa bo Matiang'i inkanka bon Matiang'i ko muhatoro wo president Matiang'i nere Jubilee candidate presidential candidate yaito mainche naongo tara na Fred Okengo Matiang'i na orene kerege chunikia mucherere riso ninche nkomurusi balenga bawe tanga kanyago tara na Matiang'i yoito akimorusi ge chunia kariya chiri
kuripoteria Ensoko TV kuraiga maro esinde bunge ya South Mogrange County ya Kisii Chepethwell Machin Mancho morigaria oyuno morikito Chepethwell Machin kurwa senseme bunge ya South Mogrange tutigata sengana yichisemi skuru ya bamura ya Nyankongo igotoka ase wodi ya Gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira niko barigania humo igabugo chengera chisemi hamona kwenda na ebiegwa guchia saba rokiwa bari abanyatiko bagokora buyasa matemwa bamanene umwako eta eyoko basegeta na koba omoyo bagendere ne chisemi chabo ase chinga kichirobosyo bari abanyorete amachibu ye grade kia A niko bono bae wachi laptop abanyorete amachibu ye grade kia A- niko bae wachi bag chinene ase bono omoyo goyo onyara koba guikiranwa na baibori na baigo eamate na borokia abono baburiwe kogendera kubeka omokia asekera bagochia gosomera usasekeri bagochia gosomera na rio barache koba bagoikirania chindoto chabo chobogima bori bosyo.
This is one of the most important events in our school calendar because it provides us with an opportunity to celebrate excellence, recognize hard work, appreciate sacrifice, and renew our commitment to providing quality education for every learner that is entrusted to us. We celebrate achievement. You've had the results. We have almost 90 A- and above. That is achievement. We also want to celebrate discipline and the spirit of excellence. In 2025, we registered 525 and we are taking 524. Again, from where I sit, I would call that 100%. Give a clap to this big institution.
Every prize today that we are seeing here represents commitment, sacrifice, and perseverance. And behind every student who is receiving an award today, that student chose hard work. There is a teacher who guided patiently and a parent who made sacrifices. And above all, a God who gave the strength. That if you stop here, because we are applauding you, you will never experience the beauty of the summit. The summit can be your next degree. I've heard many are going to the university. Many had A's. The summit can be your next degree. The summit can be your employment. The summit can be your career. If you stop there and you say, I have reached at the peak, you will not see the beauty of the summit.
Tukotikana nechiseme mwancho murigeria tugosukabusia sorobotero kubwatikana umurendi umukonyi bumugambi we sublocation ya Nyabisia igotoka se ward ya Masigia West bunge ya Bobasi county ya Kisii Douglas Momanyi Moranga ikobona atebira inya oborendi chinseme icho chinga kichiga aborokiwa bachirenga gochaka omutimo kobo omutambe bwerusa murangani go boigo haruruko boye gochasa abaibori kone kyankoro totabare chimbwa chia abana babo ekero barenga chinga kichiga chumutimo kobo orikito Apolinari Sakama na manke
kagukwanirengana y'oburendi n'inkomokonyi bw'umugambi bwe sublocation ya Nyabisia Douglas Mumanyi Murang'a atebere bunanigo barachigutinya oburendi chinseme ekyo anene chinga kechiga aborokyo bachakire gocha chinga asomutimo kobo
chinga kechiga bono gisukuru chia bungiru abana nabange bare isiko bono nare koira chinga kechiga mba inyori ng'a bono tigatobwaterane mono eseng'encho munancho mu assistant chief na abekire timu yane muna bono community policing nyebegete ready abaskari baito we have been communicating na barabo bare musariga iga tobwaterane bo tukona mugaso to make sure nga security nero eseng'encho abantu baito ngokora bare biasara mbali anabakonyora baireru kidogo lakini rende kara security yere buya abakonyora nga abantu abaikire nyomba bare safe
Murang'a nigeirire chinga kecho kubore abaibori koba maiso kurigereria chimbwa cya bana babo ekaro ky'umutimoko oyo iga
abana baito na barabwo tigamba tebinga nto muna abaibori nto batigabanya ko basoese chinsemo chiria chie binyugwa na abande banya gwaka jikadi igonga ekarombegete security yane imara onde bwensio ora chigo etani muna twakwanire igo tutakabiriana naye hapa na pale otuko na mugaso abana funsi egasi abana gosoma tinta etikora abana funsi baganya koroitaga abana funsi baenda bakora assignment abande bakonya abaibori babo egasi esamatukaya tigareta make
abana siasa na barabonigo babuligwe gokiania siasa se kanisa na kubeko botwereru chinga kichonsi
abantu baito muna togendera taiga tobeko botwereru mo especially muna abanyasiasa eseng'encho chikambi cheito chiachakire aba SDM babwata chikambi motienyo muna toreigo motienyo yonane nare gosaba rende katogo choini abakristo bande esogo sasima osoko mugendera gokwana lingana lya Nyasaye tigatoa ende kanisa esogo gokwana lingana lya Nyasaye lakini rende siasa te gochese jikanisa eseng'enjo siasa eye ona kero omonto nara asare nabwato obosibori bwakobera esare lakini ekero tokonyarete kanisa bone toja twasari igo Nyabisia iguru notarao abanyasiasa bache banyago koruterana chacha samaneno ande basaria amang'ana ari gocha gokwanwa akonya abantu eseng'encho abantu baito mbatakere babumanya Nyasaye
egekure getindi nigo kiarue guchiase abo bagotumeka amaru atancheirie nabo igamariogo yogotindia
gochakara bono iga esukuru ne gosiekwa omonto gora abo gochugotura nchera na kati wakira abanderio gia sebinyoro bare badaje goeo ekiaera abantu batakira banya birangeri bikanyeku batimoke egere nande bamenya kuboka mambi bya abantu baro chipresa nyomba batakite manerio
igorende ntobe tokobwaterana ne timu yane mono otukona mugaso buna nabatebia twakikise ng'a oborebi madawa ya kurebi muna wana chinyasore abantu baganya koroita botuko chinsa chietaniri
ko ripoti Getaseni Ensoko TV kurwase wodi ya Masige West bunge ya Bubasi ekaunti ya Kisii ncheri ya Tana Apolinari Sakama
Bemana morigita Apolinari Sakama na roboti rwasenchera yobo ikanto uskabose umanchu morigereria abaremi bekemeri yechae abako ire chae abase factory ya Gyanchore kutoka se county ya Nyamira nigo bono bamo chirega tiabara yabana siasa au bagosona na ekemeri yechae bagokwana segikaro kyogosemania igoro yokuburugera echae ile komentengeri yabo nigo bono abaremi abo batebire nonye engusana ge gochikobararo rigoririe ekemeri yechae nigo rirachi kwira nanse nigo basabiro morembe hasobonia bwekemeri yechae inse zone yo ekomimuri kito Steven Nyarikie Mbunde na mange
ase gikaro ky'abaremi bechae abo bachichase factory ya Gyanchore inse son 10 mlenjere yemo yo kwegendera gwesemia igoro yo komente ngeri ase kemeri yechae aiga abaremi babekatene ninga erebia siasa ebekware ne kemeri yechae erio nari ngeri eranyara ko bage komenta
gente que está ganado para venga todo creo que hay check weight ni gabo akubekera tiri obeka rigena twakikisa nga rigena riri yabere kikiro 10 orushe gento tokorokana test weight omana gochaka gutupimire cyaye itobuna abaremi igorenda abaremi baito toishandegete intwe na mangana yekira tiri cheto kurugya nchore kyagara management bagukira tiri bamana konyomo karani okoraki onyereta stipaying center igento twakurire mono nkeri na siasa atebase kobe kwa sobore mibwaito batige togaenderera obore mibwaito buna bono twarode cyaye tako ni bubuyaiga na ende tokoto na tarachia kibe yasingi yo mwaka oyo batige ebyasare byaito togaenderera
eto kumuboria sichira tiri chiria letire chira tiri tigato abakarani ato echipurinta alafu na ndo tumani komanya na ndato asito kuchikoni cyaye ito ega kugere factory yaye ntuntunye manyeti ega kugere yeito ya yanchore ntunye manyeti na nine bwato mupangirio no muroberio romeya
ina boko nyorango mutinaro bwate kerenge likirikia lakini njira kereta kirorekane bubi because titatiri kurumanga ndo bwate mechando lakini ekara batorete ya chinyango bimuchiriri kana ngo bikatoleri ya 10 kilos twachaka konerani igo nturaro mechando menene mone igo abanga tebanga njana kugiteru Joseph abanga mbugu mbenero lakini eja yetene genderete wiya
is interfering actually should be stopped because matekera kwenda sai group y'abantu ikutwara masikani oboria abantu abute muigwano before you go to the farmers
bagukwanekirikio ni goberere ngokubugekana hasi chinsemo ibere anene mono bari bakwamereria aba director na bari abo igo bagosira aba director nigo gwasaririe kemerigie chae na igo gosabanganere buya chinsemo chonsi ibere chichi chamo hirio gokora obore mikobomo
ese kogendera iga ikiagera nabokonyora muntu onde nagacheta nonu mukarani insachindara teratirie onyore ne ratirie yaye nigebwata makose pimo onyore yabeire tabauti osine kira yemo nobora nyore nonu mukarani gose yakobetu muya setundu bari gonto gochigotaka bintu kabirerio etotagete omorembo rio rororo agendera ko bashitundu bari cheto toendera gopimia chae kawaida na nda baremi baito banyore kibese
nigekerekia baremi bereire na goteba ngamba kagereto mwako igamba chikonyore ni benkia nyore bagochikobwatia SM yuba yawa ritukoria rero
yeta only James Mungare Mocheche TN 32 157 balala goteba ngamba mukutano rero rorekane ko mukutano gwengencho asengencho barenta gichiamare kurase factory chichitu chonsi chesoni yega 10 bato kwanire buya nande bwa mono muneri tangene kuri kibesa buya ototebiri nge emechano nabera abegati ya management onye ba kuri kibesa buya nabo tokonya kibesa chinke ototebi nge cha tokotorani eri ngiye ko ne tokonya kibesa chinke goto agoki gumono nga twatebi ngaba direct chito ba pull up nduira na sibya chitu alengi chintanga ni chama ga twali mwakori atwaichana paka bono lakini agoki nande nga kurwase ale sibe cha ite kuri Mombasa cha ite yorobo ne kabra kanya ntwa goteba bato tengune kuminyoka kana ndi achira igondo bwatoko semberinga omwaka oyo iga ntonyoriga sarigia
echingati echingwana chiabaremi abakoira echae hase factory ya mega yane ya Gianchore abanyarako bakubwato kebirengereri byabo kurwase factory ya Gianchore yurense ya Son 10 ase county ya Nyamirango reporter ya Nsoko TV Ritera Nyariki Steven Embonde
Mwancho murigeria sorobo joruo ruayo murikito Steven Nyariki Embonde no tukwiro mutumoko mutangane ga semesa yamba yakuru Nsoko ensa ya motoskare tokoso wachiduka ka sensemo studio ya kaberen kura nanda se kagetari getambe
Eye Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi obulimira bwesiro yobunda bwense kolene talinchira ndio sura krobulimi obiyoke enyoreri bagalia bene koegwa megerio chisemi nobosemia igori obulimi bwekerero nechikolinga
asobolimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
Vale konyana ebinyisimbegete ntera ngetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamara konya kuyana nganya kwama buya
beka chibuti imokio bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
kile tsukuri Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamorogoba weka chinsa isato asomoro bere oberemi nobotugi ekeroture semia mange kura saberemi chini gongoro kwa pathway machine
asomoro bere boberemi nobotugi ime Nsoko TV oboroso Bw'Omugusi. Chuo Kikuu cha Tangaza tumebobea katika kozi zifuatazo: PhD in Education, Masters in Theology, Bachelors of Arts and Communication, Diploma in Law, Certificate in Counseling Psychology. Tunafundisha TVET courses kama vile ICT, Diploma in Teacher Education. Tunafundisha lugha ya Kifaransa na Kijerumani. Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi katika anwani inquiries@tangaza.ac.ke au tupige simu kwa nambari 0722204724 au 0711713910. Unaweza kututembelea katika chuo chetu mji wa Karen, jiji kuu la Nairobi, Lang'ata Road. Tangaza University, kuelimisha akili, kugeuza mioyo na kubadili maisha.
Buya kegemo mwancho muligari bw'Ensoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanjira goswa enka yawe mambi yabono.
Buya kegemo inde asoko twanjira ko bari yogiritanga ni kwegure nyumba mwago emambi.
Ensoko bwa kiro mwancho muligari inche Innocent Onyango.
Diana Ndem.
Togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asbago tebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati yayo mwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekere serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general asokiri na kugikiria serikali ngichwera kwa nigorengani
Raila puppet or ODM lipo matoyo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saini kurwe binto kurwe kitapa kerege lakini nkwira ni maega kego umuntu mato gukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge butuko
Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Abakuru nigo bakubinera iga abange mbaya mbuna bariete kyane nkaigwa bururu igonaki amaboka amange nabagokeania emiremo ko nugwakana gukungusa naigwa bubi ekero bakuria mbururu ikiagera ikibaroisya mugundu tikirama.
Eye n'Ensoko TV, uboroso bw'Omugusi.
Karibu sana mwancho murigaria sensa mega ya kabere mbia mana soko kendro sangana into na bono tokuska bosia soro botro ko bwatia Chinga kiribirira ria gisiasa rigenderete gukina imeyense bosio bachorio bonene omwako gocha nigo bone kiombe kia NCIC yaesokire na kuruko bori gocha saba Kenya abiga bana siasa buyatana na kurwase chinkwana chogo segeto bogesako bagokwana kurwase chabisi chekiombe kyo aiga somo cho Nairobi nigo bana barayabo barure okoboria gocha saba Kenya kubasoera abarayi bali bagobotoka chinkwana icho kira chigo turubania omorembe imeyense chinga kicho boigo nigo barure okobori gocha saba sae gotia gotume kwa bobe na bana siasa Mulikitoli net Nyambane na Mange.
Anyone recruit your voice, recruit your keyboard or your energy into the work of division. Your future as a young person depends on the peace you choose to build today.
Ukuo nukuboria kurwa ase ekiombe kia National Cohesion and Integration Commission ase baruru kuboria gochia ase aba Kenya na boigo abarayi bage siasa ukenonora amangana bagukwana nario ogutatananeka gutabe asense.
Guard your tongue and guard your timeline. Report hate speech when you encounter it. Refuse to share it, refuse to amplify it, and refuse to let it define how you see your fellow Kenyan. To fellow faith leaders across the mosques, the churches, the temples, and the shrines, let us continue to speak with one voice so that the pulpit and the minbar remain places of healing, not platforms for political divisions.
Chinga kiechicho batebire abana siasa ekero bakogenda ase chikanisa nigo babwenerete kubeka omorembe na tarikoreta chiburaburu ase batebire babwenerete kubwatia emeroberi ye kanisa chinga kibare ase nsemeyo.
We have guidelines and these guidelines are supposed to be followed, because when they come as worshippers, we expect them to just worship. But you see, these leaders, when you give them the mic, sometimes they go overboard. And they go overboard to insult one another with all the disregard to the places of worship, the sanctuaries. And of late we have seen they are accompanied by their goons, whom they have hired. Some are on payrolls, others are following them for handouts. And that's the reason why we have said that on the way to the 2027 general elections, we are going to continue to tighten these guidelines and procedures so that these politicians, when they come to our places of worship, whether it is a temple or a mosque or a church, they don't come with their agenda. They come with the only agenda to worship God and to participate in the worship as already scheduled.
Ekiombe ekyo nigo bono giatebire nonya ebinambiro byabeire ase chinga kichintambe obotuki nigo bogenderete ase bono baruro kuboria gochia asaba Kenya kubeka chiriboti chiricho gosegeta obogesaku ase ekiombe ekyo.
We have the capacity. Once we have collaborated with the Communication Authority of Kenya, who are charged with the responsibility, for example, of transcribing any speech, any rhetoric in vernacular, in whichever language, and we realize it meets the threshold for prosecution, that's when we begin to act. So it's joint collaboration in the sense that we have in-house investigators, all right? But at the same time, we depend heavily on complaints from the public.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase ekaunti ya Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Ni mwana Mulikitoli net Nyambane tuguska bose mwancho muregeria sorobotiro ne kyombegete ne tobo chori ne chimbebe aiga Kenya kia IEBC
nigo kiarure hogukura hokonene gucia savana inchi koenekia huna ngutwara bare kwegena na machibu yobochori na nemono kurase kiombe kyobosi bobochori obonene honyeti bare guchenja chimbo chiabo nigo bochori obuburachi koenekia chibura buru kagokwana hase county ya Machakos ase gikaro ekyo kyabare ntamo abana inchi kurebirengere byabo igoro ye budget ye kiombe kyo koenekia obochori nigo bono mo commissioner oya mo kiombe kyo alitalala mukwana atebire nigo bono yabeire embwa hase gatia bakenya kubeka ekina busubeke gambero neba nekera machibu atarasoka asebona atebire hogotanchirana kwa machibu na kurachi koirera chisegi koenekiwa hasobochori bonene omwaka gocha.
Na sasa wanajiandaa kukataa matokeo ya kura mwaka 2027. It is not a joke. Kwa hivyo ikiwa sifa na heshima ya tume huru haitalindwa na italindwa na nyinyi, tukikosa tuambieni tumekosa, lakini tukifanya mazuri tuambieni tumefanya mazuri. So ikiwa heshima na imani ya raia itabomolewa kabisa katika tume, wakati mwaka 2027 utakapokuja na kura zifanywe, hakuna atakayeshinda, wale wengine hawatokubali, na anayeshinda hatokubali. Matokeo yatakuwa ni kwamba kutakuwa na fujo katika taifa. Kukiwa na fujo, hata wewe ambao unashangilia wanasiasa na kuchukua 250 hata hutakuwa na furaha. Makamishna wa IEBC ni 7 peke yao, lakini wananchi 1,054,000, si kweli? Sasa wengi ni kina nani? Ni nyinyi. Kwa hivyo msifurahie na kucheka wakati IEBC inakuwa ni yenye kulaumiwa visivyo. Kwa kumalizia, swali sema. Sasa kaka wewe mbona unasema ulikanao? Uliona nini ulikanao? It's on record. In Olkanao, the opposition thanked IEBC for conducting a good election. But the trouble with Kenyans is that we only see
Makonye bumara buense Professor Kithure Kindiki nigo bono aenekirie hegikaro no kuomerana na babwatani ao kuruase chiwizara au bunenchiremo yogochia koenekia hemirobirio ya serikali yogokonya abana inchi ase ogotamentekana kwerigoriria mabuta Musiki Kindiki nigo bona atebire hegitambukiro kyomo investor kuru iskoyense koenekia kubeka ekewanda kya mabuta ase ensemo ya Lamu nigo bonera achia koenekia gokonya omo Kenya na bigo mamenye bworogongo bwa Afrika ya mocha kunyara koba gakonyora homweso aso gukina kwerigori iria amabuta.
The government has had really to work very hard to cushion the people of Kenya from the exact costs. If we didn't go out of our way, the hikes would have been astronomical. And I was looking at some of the countries in Asia, some of the countries in Europe, and I've seen the increases. The spikes have been quite drastic, much more drastic than even what we've seen here. So we are hoping that the feasibility work will end quickly, and we are hoping that there will be buy-in of all stakeholders so that we to create a petrochemical hub for our region, to cushion our economies from oil price spikes, and also to help our industrialization agenda as Africa and as a region. Kenya is very keen and is engaging the regional partners in this region to see whether we can have consensus on that facility being hosted for this region. It will create jobs. It will also cushion the economy from economic shocks. Lamu being one of the places that have been suggested as a possible location for this project. And at the moment we are having feasibility activities to determine the feasibility of possible location of this oil refinery, and that is work in progress. It's a lot of work involving technical work, geological, geospatial and other scientific aspects around port development and refinery development, petrochemical issues. So there are many moving parts which we are
Uskabasyo mwanchumo rigereria niko bono habarai be kanisa na boigo habarai babasai cross county ya Machakos basokire na gukwandra ukuganya gukorororo ko basai wesokia sobonge kubwate bibande na kwerikia ko baba kichukura yariko chigokora amaonchoreria ase ogochora abarai abayaso bachoyo balina umwako gocha chinga kichiringa abarai be kanisa babodre serikali mukege tambukero yokone kyabuna kugikeriere hembwa ya rokanira samatuka bwangwega hasa basai babere bagotumekwa korenta chibura buru asemesangerkano au ya siasa.
Talking of responsibility, what you are given to do, are you doing it? What you promise to do, are you doing it? Are you responsible as a leader, as a person, wherever you are? Then we are talking of inclusion. We are calling upon the young people to be included in tables of decision making rather than the tables of discussions. You know, it's one thing to discuss and is another thing to make decisions. So we are calling upon the young people to be involved in, you know, taking positions and vying for positions.
In the coming next year, I want to encourage youth, let's go and have vote and start thinking whom and who will we choose. Nani anapaswa kusimama kwa ile kiti? Nani yeye anafaa? Tusindanganyike kwa uongo kwamba fulani na fulani ataweza. Sisi kama viongozi, kama vijana tunaweza. Na tunaweza kusimama kwa gap na tuweze kubandilisha nchi na tuweze kujenga hata in the background where we are coming from.
In terms of what I call very obvious cases that yes, it's been obvious that goons are inventing even churches, meetings, and it's worrying that no much action is taken against this. And that is why we are calling upon, and I made this clear, calling upon the relevant authorities. Because again, it is within their mandate, it's within their power to act. Because if those that are in leadership are crying, just like the common mwananchi, about goonism, so now who is helping who?
Wanchumurigeri abunoto wika omwerio ase ogokomanyeria ene kiwa semesema yakorwa ensoko ensa emo jidai kamerongena nebere chia butokire yoranga hayegane gatia yanda mango mwanchumo rigeri antochiko sanga ikoroga chinsa isato chubutko buare rokorenda sibonega gendra gutware marogo bento eru na kwegokia nimero bire gendra ta sembeo yensoko TV asiribaga ria Kelvin Mogoi na Felistas Kabendi kurasa studio ya Kabere chenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi.